project on the XS400 tonight. I'm going to clean the carbs. So I stripped these down about a year ago and everything was going okay, but when I took out the pilot air jet on one of them, it stripped and then the threads were left behind. So what I had to do was tap out the remaining threads without damaging the carb, which I've done. And then I've managed to find a new 170, that focuses Mikuni pilot air jet. Got that, it screws in, it's nice and tight, I think it seals. But yeah, where these have been in the garage for, like I say, the past year, they're looking a bit cruddy. So yeah, what I'm going to do, I've got some alloy wheel cleaner from Euro car parts, so I'm going to put that in this bucket and soak these for a few minutes just to dissolve all of that corrosion. Put some of these bits in there, and I've got some of this Priory polishes copper and brass cleaner, and I'm going to do all the brass bits as well. And then yeah, we can get these assembled, get them back on the bike, and that's another thing done.
Yeah.
I'm just going to do the brass bits now. So that's the Priory polishes number 1.
What can you smell? Cheese? Food?
Just leave that for 10 minutes. So all the brass bits have come up like new. Right, so I'm just about to rebuild the carbs. made up these new gaskets for the float bowl. It's the old gasket, it's rock hard, it's probably like as old as the bike, so yeah, made these new paper ones from flexoid paper, so just pop those on. That's that one. That's that one. And what I'm going to do, I've got some new JIS screws coming from eBay, so they're coming next week, so I'm just going to pop a couple of these old ones in just for now. So I'm just going to pop some new copper washers on the trainage bolt. So you've got the pilot air jets to go in now. So this is the one where the thread had stripped on it, so I had to tap that one back out. So that's the new jet. I managed to get that from France. I think that was about £6 or £7 for a 170 pilot air jet. That's that one. And that's the old jet. Nothing wrong with that. Just give that a clean yesterday. That one back in. So you've got to put the diaphragms in now. Sorry, so that locates into that little indentation there. So that little recess, and then just carefully diaphragm seated into that groove. So that one's in. And pop one of the springs in. Then cover on. So again, I've got new JIS screws to go in here. But for now I'm just going to pop couple of the old ones back in just for now, and I'm going to polish these up on the bench polisher once I'm all done, make these all shiny, but for now I just want to get these rebuilt. So stick the cover on, make sure the writing's round the same way on both carbs. So now for the choke to go on, so just pop that spring on there. That little cover goes on there. That up, done. So a new copper washer onto that way round, another copper washer, and that just screws in there. Just going to nip that up loosely for now. Goes in the top there. Right, so I've given those a little polish, and I've got some new JIS screws to go in. can go back together now. How that goes in there.
Feels raised. Well, there'd just be an empty box in here if it was you that used the last one.
Don't mind, but you'll be just got to put the choke lever in now, and then we are done. That's all done, that's all been polished, new screws, cleaned all the brass bits in brass cleaner, and all the aluminium bits in alloy wheel cleaner. Made some new gaskets for the bottom, so you just got to adjust them, which I'll do when they're on the bike, but they're ready to be fitted.